Upop Leo Bakhatsau Ulathung Yu Reverend Phadar Richard D'Souza SJ Komu Director Bathamai Jongkatanat Petklor Sahit Beneng ke Vatican lani ke Vatican Observatory laong ke KHUBOR na nong Rome. Yo Phadar Richard lakha Goa India House Nem Khat Khandai Spa Nyo Popra. Ularung Hakajing Selok Society of Jesus SJ House Nem Khat Khandai Spa Khandai Punrio Bat lakentang lingdo soblay House Nem Arjar Khatway Hadin bula pendep ye kajing puli philosophy bat theology na Janana Deepa Theological College Pune India. Nalor kini kajing puli start blay philosophy bat theology ula pendep ru ye ke MSc Physics na University of Heidelberg Germany bat ula trei ha Max Planck Institute of Astronomy Heidelberg. Ula yo ye ke PhD ha ke subject Astrophysics na Max Planck Institute Garching Munich. Halor ke phang ke jingsdang ki ken hun klor galaxies ha hau sahit peneng. Ula pentebet syuk halor kini ke subject postdoctoral research na University of Michigan USA. Reverend Phadar Richard ula long udukot jang ke Vatican Observatory na du usnem arjar khat riu. But ula longru ukli jong jingeslok Reunion Society of Jesus SJ hibatrei hakani ka observatory na do arjar arpuar. Ula penmi bon kijing tho jeliu jing start halor ki kenhon klor galaxies but chapang kalenti betho Milky Way kabaki breu na kaperthai kiu ibha hakapor bedum benai. Ula long udukot barat ba jong ke International Astronomical Union. Kawai ka kinhun mauyong sahit beneng asteroid la ay nam hakakerteng jong Reverend Phadar Richard D'Souza.
Pope Leo XIV has appointed a Jesuit priest, Father Richard Anthony D'Souza, as director of the Vatican Observatory. The announcement was made on Thursday by the Vatican Governorate. Father D'Souza succeeds another Jesuit brother, Guy Consolmagno, whose 10-year term concludes on 19 September 2025. Father D'Souza has been a staff member at the observatory since 2016 and holds a doctorate in astronomy. Born in 1978 in Goa, India, Father D'Souza entered the Society of Jesus in 1996 and was ordained a priest in 2011. He has published extensively in international scientific journals and is a member of the International Astronomical Union. Recently, an asteroid was named in his honor. The Vatican Observatory is one of the oldest active astronomical observatories in the world, with its roots going back to 1582. Headquartered at the papal summer residence in Castel Gandolfo, the observatory was established for astronomical research and fostering dialogue between science, theology, and the Church's intellectual tradition.